Stop by and take a look at the 2004 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.